Good morning, ladies and gents. Brian Morse here, and for today, I'll be presenting you the singing wine glass experiment. Alrighty, all we need for this project is just a wine glass, any source of water, and a wet finger. And make sure you use a wine glass. Any other shaped glass will not work. Okay, here's my wine glass. First I gotta wet my finger. Then I'm gonna rub the top of the glass with this part, my finger, and then voila! That's how you do it. Now, some of you might be thinking to yourselves, how is it possible to produce sustained pitches with a wine glass? Well, when I slide my finger on top of the wine glass, it vibrates and produces an acoustic resonance, which is when an object vibrates at a certain frequency. When an object vibrates at its natural frequency, its vibration amplifies to make sound. I can also make it louder just by applying more pressure when I slide on top of the wine glass. When I'm sliding with my finger on the wine glass, I'm performing a slip and stick motion, which is when differing surfaces alternate between sliding and sticking to each other and cause a change in the force of friction to produce sound. Other examples of slip and stick are when drivers push the brake on their car or musicians play on bowstring instruments, like the violin. Now, what if you're bored of the same pitch made by the wine glass? Is there any way to change the pitch? Well, there is, if you add water to the wine glass. Here, let me show you real quick. Now, why is it that when I add water to the wine glass, its pitch changes? Well, when I add water to the glass, the mass increases, and when the mass increases, the vibrations will have larger and slower sound waves, which will in turn make the pitch lower. But if I put little to no water on the wine glass, the pitch gets shorter but quicker, which in turn makes the wine glass have a higher pitch. With enough wine glasses and with a variety of little to no water, maybe a lot of water, I can make a song with it. Here, let me show you. Rubbing a wet finger on top of the wine glass isn't the only way to get a variety of sounds out of these. You can just tap it. Though, don't tap too hard or you'll break the glass. Maybe a higher pitch. A little bit higher. A little bit higher. Let's see, no water. Hmm, seems good. Thank you for your time, and I hope you're inspired to use wine glasses in more creative ways than as party beverages.